Groundbreaking news from the UK Immigration Department is set to revolutionize the way you travel, work, and live in the UK. Starting in January 2025, we're saying goodbye to traditional biometric residence permits, cards, and those cumbersome passport endorsements. In their place, we welcome a new era of digital convenience, the E-Visa. This shift is part of a larger movement towards digital transformation, making processes smoother and more accessible. The E-Visa is essentially an online record of your immigration status, accessible through a UKVI account, which you'll need to create. This shift is about more than just keeping up with the times. It's a conscious decision to simplify and secure the immigration process. No more worries about losing important documents or understanding complex systems. The future of UK immigration is digital, and it's here. It's not just a trend. It's a significant move towards a simpler, more secure immigration process. But what exactly is an E-Visa, you might ask? Well, let's unravel this digital mystery together. An E-Visa is essentially a digital record of your immigration status in the United Kingdom. It's not a physical card or a stamp on your passport, but an online document that's accessible through a UKVI or UK Visas and Immigration account. Now don't fret. This shift to a digital format doesn't alter your immigration status or the permissions you've been granted. It simply streamlines the process of accessing and proving your status. It's like having your immigration details at your fingertips. Literally. There's no need to rummage through drawers or folders looking for that elusive piece of paper. And remember, until the curtain falls on 2024, you'll still need to carry your physical documents when traveling. But come 2025, your E-Visa and passport are all you'll need. So, let's gear up and embrace this digital shift together. So, what's so great about these E-Visas, you may ask? Well, let's dig into the multitude of advantages they offer. For starters, E-Visas bring a level of security that physical documents just can't match. They can't be lost, stolen, or tampered with, which is a huge relief, isn't it? But it doesn't stop there. The convenience factor is a game changer. Picture this. No more waiting around to collect a physical document after your application is approved. You get instant access as soon as your E-Visa is granted. And let's not forget the ease of proving your immigration status. Remember those times when you had to scramble around for the right document to show at the border or to your potential employer or landlord? With an E-Visa, those days are history. A few clicks, and you can share your immigration status instantly. Proving your status at the UK border or with third parties like employers and landlords becomes a breeze. To access your E-Visa and share your immigration status, setting up a UKVI account is crucial. Now let's delve into how you can set up this account. First things first, you need to visit the UKVI website. From there, look for the option to create a new account. You'll be asked to provide some basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and email address. After that, you'll create a secure password. Remember, this is sensitive information we're dealing with, so make sure your password is strong. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to your E-Visa details. But the work doesn't stop there. It's important to regularly check and update your account. This includes updating your personal information and ensuring your passport details are current in the system. By keeping your UKVI account up to date, you're ensuring a smooth journey whenever you travel. It's vital to keep everything updated to avoid any hiccups during travel. Already have a BRP that's expiring soon? Don't worry. This transition to the E-Visa is designed to be as smooth as possible. If you're currently holding a biometric residence permit that's about to expire, you're not being left in the lurch. The authorities will be providing comprehensive instructions on how to set up your UKVI account and make the switch to an E-Visa. This digital shift isn't about catching you off guard, but about making your life easier. The instructions will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring that your transition is seamless and stress-free. Remember, the E-Visa doesn't change your immigration status or permissions. It simply digitizes them. It's a more secure and convenient way of carrying your immigration information with you wherever you go. And if you haven't been contacted yet, stay tuned for updates later in 2024. You're on the cusp of a more streamlined, secure, and efficient immigration experience with the E-Visa. Feeling overwhelmed by the transition? Help is available. It's perfectly okay if you're finding the shift to e-visas and setting up a UKVI account a bit challenging. Remember, you're not alone in this. There's plenty of support available. You can reach out using the UKVI account contact form. They're there to guide you through the process, answer your queries, and ensure a smooth transition. And if you're thinking, but I don't have internet access or the necessary devices, don't worry. The UKVI has put measures in place to ensure that nobody is left behind in this digital shift. They'll provide you with the necessary support to get you on board. Now that's all for today's video, but don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to our next video where we'll walk you through the process of setting up your UKVI account. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.